how slow the water's filling up. They gotta change out this. Okay, ma'am. Okay, I want to show you something. See back here?
Yeah.
See how slow this is filling up?
Yeah.
Right? So it's a problem with this, it's called the fluid master or the fill valve, right?
Okay.
So I gotta tell them that they gotta replace that.
Okay.
But I just want to show you. So there's no issue with the actual toilet itself, right? So I'm just gonna fill this up, right? You can see. Flush it down good, right?
Yeah.
So if this doesn't get filled up properly, which it should do by itself, right? It's not going to flush properly. Somebody's going to come in, use it, and then if it takes 10 minutes to fill up, but somebody comes in and say 5 minutes, right?
Yeah.
Then it's gonna,
Okay.
you know what I mean? It's not gonna get a full flush. But like right now, everything's flushing good.
Okay,
So there's two things you can do. Because we're not allowed to change these parts. It has to be management or they call the other company,
Okay.
right? The plumbing company. I'm just for the drains. You can either do what I did, pull that off, fill it up there, or you can dump it right down here,
Okay.
right? So that's the easier way. You don't make a mess that way. Sometimes if you're not careful,
Yeah.
it'll splash, right? But it's like, and all the water will go.
Okay, perfect.
All right?
All right, yeah, thank you.
No
I'll let
problem.
my mom know.
The management, they're,
Slow.
yeah.
But thank you for your help.
No problem. I'm just glad I was able to explain everything. Because, like, there's times where it's like, maybe you guys go out, right? And the management lets us in. I come in, I flush toilet, everything's running good. Or if I find the issue and you guys aren't here, it's hard for me to explain
Yeah.
things, right? So it's good that you guys were here and it's good that we were able to get this figured out. So hopefully, I'm not gonna lie, they're probably not
Yeah.
gonna do it this weekend, right?
Yeah.
But hopefully early next week they'll get to it. Just use the bucket.
Okay.
It's a pain, believe me. I
Yeah,
know.
it's okay,
I wouldn't
but-
want to, but exactly, it's like at least there is,
Yeah.
a way for it to go down.
While we're waiting.
right? So
Yeah,
there you go.
thank you.
No problem at all.